What's cracking like it, guys? It's your boy Dominic Garcia here with another video on the Civics. Today we're going to be working on the EK. Ended up picking up some parts that we needed from the inside. It looks like door panel, whatever this thing is called. Bottom of that one, I don't like that one. And then this is broken, definitely one of these. We ended up picking up all the parts that we need. I might switch those speakers on the doors because they're too big and put some that actually fit in there. Yep, and we got all the parts over here. Oh, we ended up also getting a cover for the back for the seats, and then the trim that goes around the window. So we're gonna go ahead and put all that stuff on, make it look super good, and then start prepping the car. Jeez. We also have to sand, so I might not put this one on today because we have to sand the roof, and it's going to be way easier to sand it and not damaging that from the top from scraping it. So I might just leave that off still. But let's add all the other stuff in there. Let me go get the door panel that I had in my garage from a previous EK that I had bought in for, but I only needed the driver's side, but also had gotten the passenger. And now we're going to finally use it. All right, guys, grab the door panel. Here it is. Same color and everything, really good conditions. You just have to put it on. It looks like it disconnected right here, but you just have to pull those little tabs and put them back in. Let me quickly do that. Bam, easy as that. For those of you guys who don't know how to fix these or add one of these, it has little tabs in the back. You pretty much, you see them right here? Pretty much bend them in, you see? And then it'll hold the top of it. So let's go ahead and take this one off. Oh, I got sweat in my eye. Let me wipe my face. All right, guys, we're gonna start off taking off the door panel. It has a screw right here. Normally had one right there. And you can, probably the speaker too. So let's go ahead and do that. Damn, doesn't fit. Let me go get the screwdriver. All right, guys, we got all 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. The one that goes right here, and normally there would be one right there. Let's go ahead, pull this off. Comes off just like that. Yeah, this one was all broken. So let's go ahead and slap the other one in. Dang. Yeah, let's go ahead and slap it on. Let me throw this one right here. Grab this one. Then put it on. All right, guys, I ended up having to take the window off because this regulator is super messed up. So I went ahead and took that off. Now we're just gonna go ahead, take all these off and take that regulator off. I ordered a new one. Should be here sometime before the weekend or Monday, Tuesday. Today's Thursday. I ordered it on Tuesday or yesterday. Let's go ahead and take these off. Okay, let me do it. Yeah, guys, this thing was super broken. It was in 2 pieces. No wonder it didn't work. Check it out. Super bent. We got another one on the way. No worries there. Yeah, the only thing is it's gonna be windowless for a couple of days, but it's okay. Nothing will happen. But let me go ahead and clean off the rest of the door real quick. Just make it a little shinier. It's on the inside, so it doesn't really matter. But it doesn't hurt just to give it a quick pat down. Let's get some dirt out of the way. There we go. That's good enough. So let's go ahead and now try to put the door panel in. Sheesh, easy as pie. That was it. Way cleaner. Check it out. Boom. Just clean it off a little bit. I'll probably clean that door. But yeah, now that's done. We're gonna add a different speaker, one that fits in here, because honestly, if it doesn't close, I don't really want it. So it goes like that. So I'm pretty sure it fits. Let's try it actually. All right, guys, replacing the next part here. It was this. Sorry I didn't show you guys. I wasn't really paying attention until I took it off. So yeah, pretty much all you do to take this off, it's like that, right? You push these 2 pins down and it should come right off. And this thing is dusty. Let's go ahead, clean it off. Get some of this dust in here off too.
¡Ajá! ¡Se mamó!
There we go. Let's go ahead and put the new one. And the reason we're putting this one is because see, look, you see those clips? You see those clips? No le queda su carro. All right, that one's done. The reason we took it off, had a giant chop. Next one is this one right here, and then the trunk, not the trunk, the glove box. So let's go ahead and take that one off next. It's 2 screws on the bottom, one right here and one over here. Go ahead and take those off. You're gonna see them right there. That's one, and then the other one should be over here somewhere. 2. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys. Once you unscrew the bottom, it should be like this. Pull it up, and it'll come right off. So yeah, let's go ahead and also clean this just so I can have it a little bit less dusty. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the other glove box with no damage. Shoot, I have a whole bunch of screws in here. Throw them in the other one. Let's put this one on. Let me quickly move those screws into the other one. All right, guys, got the new glove box on there. But then I realized I wanted to take this one off because I'm changing this one too because it's all scratched. Ended up picking up from the junkyard too. So let's go ahead and change it. Here we go. Where's my pick tools? Let's go ahead and take this off. It has a couple. If I really wanted to look, go look right here. This is how it looks. It's like this. Looks like it has one right here and one down here. So let's go ahead, I think, and then one in the bottom. We yank it from the bottom first. It should come right out. Let's go ahead and try it with both hands. All right, guys, was able to pull it out. Wasn't that hard. Let's go ahead and clean this one off real quick, and then we'll slap it on. All right, let's go ahead, put this one on. Goes in that corner there. Let me do both hands. All right, guys, that's in. It looks like it's, oh, there we go. It's in. Oh, let's see. Ooh, sheesh. Time to put the glove box on. Again, you can do this. Put it up. Clip it in. Let me go ahead and use both hands and it should work. Bam! Just like that. That one's in. And the one that had over here is in. Check out. Sheesh. Oh, I actually have to adjust this one a little bit more because it's a little down. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Bam! Glove box is done. Next thing we're going to do is take this one off because I got a brand new one. And that one looks to be black, so it doesn't even go there. I have the gray one over there, so let's go ahead and take it off. And yeah, so we can take off this stupid knob right here. Took both screws off of this one because we have to remove this. So let's go ahead, jump to the other side and get that going. Guys, right here we have the reader thing for the keyless entry. We took this one off to be able to get to this one. So we pulled this one out. Now we're trying to pull this one out, but I forgot you have to open the trunk. Let's go ahead and do that. And then this should fall right out of place. And then we can just pull this.
One eternity later.
So it should slide right out. Jesus. Yep. And there you go. Easy peasy. Whew. As you guys can see, they're different colors. This one's actually a black one. This is the right one. Let's go ahead, slap this one in, and get it popping. Or give it a quick little wipe. Jeez. There's a giant mess. I took out the stereo because I wanted to see the wiring before I put it back in. And it's pretty messy. So I don't know. I need to redo it. But I don't want to do it right now. It's kind of dark. Oh, yeah. The next thing I think I'm going to do is replace this one, because this one doesn't have the bottom thing that holds it. And it's even a different color. So let's go ahead and take this off. What does it hold on by? Oh, there's a screw in the bottom. Okay, let me quickly get that screw, guys. So as you guys can see, this one doesn't have the shield that goes on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that, and then we're gonna go ahead and take this one off to put it on the other one. So let me go get the other shield real quick, cover, and then we'll go ahead and put it on the car. All right, guys, so found out this is all in here. I'm gonna wire it the right way, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take all this off, because why not? What the hell is all this? I don't know what that is for, but oh shit, it has no horn. I guess that's the horn right there, that blue one. I wonder why he didn't put the horn on. So weird. I guess whatever, we'll fix it, guys. All right, guys, ya estuvo. All one color, baby. Check it out. Cheese under glove box. Yes, sir. Came out good. Honestly, tomorrow this one isn't gripping.
That's what she said.
All right, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. It's honestly a really fun experience to get this car done with you guys, especially because I'm showing you guys how to do it at home. All these parts can be found at the junkyards, and yeah, it's super fun, guys. Hopefully you guys are learning something. Y como dice una chiquita por ahí, chao.